Please let me know how was your experience, overall experience about the configurations that we have put here. एक था पोल ऑडियो का स्पीकर था, उसके बाद डैम्पिंग किया, उसके बाद कमिची वाला DSP लगाया हम लोगों ने, and then finally we were planning to put one amplifier and we finally went with the Audition.
Right.
So please share your feedback, sir.
So it's amazing. I mean, I would say this is the fantastic audio setup I ever had in my car. So we did lot of research initially, as Pasa said. हमने बहुत सारा combination use किया JL audio का, then we explored Sony also, Sony ES series, and then finally we end up with Audition 4.300 and this is amazing. I mean, इसका जो combination है मेरे टेस्ट के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा है. I really liked it, loved it. The sound clarity is very nice. The vocals are good. The bass is amazing. So, I mean, I would say मेरे टेस्ट के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा है.
और बेस कहाँ से आ रहा था सर? How do you
हर
feel?
जगह से. I mean, I would say कहाँ से आ रहा है? I mean, I can feel it from my overhead. अभी सामने से, front से. Definitely, it's not coming from the back side where the actual subwoofer is installed. But वहाँ के अलावा हर जगह से आ रहा है.
Proper एक surround जो होता है 3D वगैरह जैसा था, उस तरह से आ रहा है.
Exactly. And we tried playing different kind of songs like folk songs, जो हिंदी गाने हैं,
Hip hop,
कुछ hip hops, तो सारे में amazing है.
DJ and all those, yeah.
DJ and all.
Correct.
So everything is fine. I mean, I was little worried कि कौन सा setup सही होगा. As I said, I mean, Pasa is very knowledgeable. आपने बहुत अच्छा options हमें बताया और finally I really like this Audition along with DSP Nakamichi DSP, which is I believe Fidelity or something. But yeah, overall amazing. Really love
Sir,
it.
if you have to rate from 1 to 5, and 1 being low and high being 5, what do you rate us, sir?
I think 5 is very low. I would say 10 out of 5.
Thanks a lot,
I really
sir.
liked it. Yeah.
Thanks a lot,
I
sir.
would recommend anyone to come here and spend some time with you, Pasa, and explore the option. I mean, it's amazing.
Thank you, sir. And your other experience is that when you walk into the shop, you feel you have lot of options, right?
Oh yeah. There's so many options in the shop. You know, we have seen, as I said, 3 तो मैंने ही explore किया, फिर बहुत सारे speakers थे, लेकिन as I said, ये सबका टेस्ट अलग होता है. मेरे टेस्ट के हिसाब से this is fantastic.
This was a good match for you.
This is a good match. हो सकता है किसी और के लिए कुछ और हो, लेकिन मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा है.
No, even I felt out the same. मैंने इतने सारे setups किया है, ये एक अलग ही है, एक level ही अलग है, and this combo was really good even from my end.
Right.
तो yeah, see, it was दोनों साइड से efforts था वो. You are ready to invest, you are ready to invest, you are ready to explore. वो भी important होता है. So you and also I would like to thank you for giving us an opportunity, trusting in us, और opportunity देने के लिए sir.
और हम और भी मेरे बहुत सारे friends हैं. They are really interested to install some music system after market and we will bring them here.
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, thank you. All right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.